So the local based Reggae Boyz just returned from their two-match friendly international series against Trinidad and Tobago. This, of course, follows a previous two-match series that was played in Jamaica last year. Now, initially, these games seemed a waste of time because very few, if any, local-based players are going to make the Jamaica team. But you know, say, on second thought, this Trinidad-Jamaica partnership in football is a good thing. There is enough competition and rivalry to keep the games honest, and the developmental value of these fixtures is invaluable. Just like the partnership was back in the pre-1998 World Cup days, the JFF should also forge a similar partnership with one or two Central American teams like we had with Guatemala and Costa Rica back in the days. The fact of the matter is that a lot of our World Cup qualifiers will be played down the Caribbean and in Central America. So playing regularly against those teams in those conditions could prove crucial in the end. Not just for the local-based players, but indeed to the full Jamaica national team. Yes, check it.